$392, back to you with another banger. As y'all can see, just got back from AZ, got the fresh cut, you feel me, But yeah, I got the vehicle jacked up. As y'all can see from the title, I got a checklight engine for inactive exhaust delete. My actuator's bad. I took a video. I didn't take a video, but I took it off and it went bad. But this is basically what we're going to be doing to get the checklight engine off. So let me show y'all real quick. I got a checklight engine. It is P0. I don't even remember, but it's the passenger active exhaust actuator. So just so y'all see it. Checklight engine. So my friend Spooky 6'4", shout out him. It's the guy right there. He first did this active delete. And shout out my boy Abdul in Washington State. Oh snap. He did it. And I ordered this kit. It's 180 or 160 bucks. I got military discount. So we're gonna install this. I'm gonna get y'all underneath there. So y'all stay tuned and we out. Okay, as you probably can see, it is right here. Let me hold up, y'all. Okay, there is the brake, or there's the exhaust valve actuator. So I took this off. It's 3 10mm bolts. So you take it off, be easy. It's a spring in there. It's spring loaded. So as you probably can't see, but I have it zip tied up here. It's like a little clip. I zip tied it. Said this is gonna go into it. It's gonna basically dummy it down, as you can see. It's like a little, I can't even explain what this is. I remember what it's called, but I don't. But basically, you're just going to plug that in here. Let's see. Plug it into here. Oh no. Yeah, you're going to plug that into here. Man, I'm in a tight spot right now. Even go in there? But we're not gonna do that one first. We're going to do the rubber boot. I think the rubber boot goes into here. Yeah. So I remember they were saying before this kit, they didn't have a rubber boot. So see, I put it right here, that one. So this one's gonna go on the other side. I'm not done with that one yet. I haven't unplugged it, and basically, doesn't matter which side this goes on, but you just push that in there. I don't want to break it. Sorry, y'all. But I want to break this shit. Okay, that's how it goes. Okay, that goes in there, bam. That's in there. And now this side. I'll show y'all this side real quick. Hopefully I could get y'all to see it. So it's this one right here. You basically just and you do need a screwdriver, but oh no, just pull that up, you see? Just pulled it up. So I'm going to put this right here, and it goes such, you heard the click, and I'm going to put this in there, and make sure you push down. See, so that's down. Bam, it is not up. So I'm going to zip tie this, probably right here, somewhere right there. So the way it's gonna dummy it. So I'm gonna get back in here, I'm gonna zip tie all this up, and then we go and see if there's a checklight engine. So Y'all stay tuned. So as you can see, I zip tied them pretty good. Zip tied them on the exhaust hanger bracket. Right there. Zip tied that one with 3 of them. So make sure you zip tie them pretty good. You never know what might happen. So just do 3 or 4 zip ties on each. And let's get to it. Once again, this is the Automotive Inactive Active Exhaust Elite. I didn't really cut off or do the battery yet, but I mean, we'll see if it works. Should trick it. See? Now I'm gonna unplug it and we're gonna come back to it. Sorry, I might holding it weird. I got a tripod on here, but I unplugged the battery and now we're gonna try to see if the checklight engine went away. Cut it off and then cut it back on to see. Damn, went away. Okay, so that right there is a very cheap but effective mod. Oh, you probably can't see. That's a cheap but effective mod. The actuator was 500 bucks. It's like, no. So I went with the Automotive the Z Automotive Inactive Exhaust Elite, and like I said, it's 2 minutes to fit that. Zip tie them, plug them in, and that's it. So I did that, and it was pretty easy. My exhaust is gonna be louder. Basically bypass the flaps that hold it open, close it when I get on it. So that's pretty good. Like I said, I recommend this mod if you want your exhaust to be a little bit louder for cheap price. Paid 160, 50 bucks, somewhere around there. Like I said, go and hit that like, subscribe, and comment button. We're trying to basically get these videos out. Like I said, I got more content coming. Y'all stay tuned for this car. I got another banger coming. So y'all stay tuned, and we out.